Hello traders, welcome back to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video and leave your comments below. Today I made a 1:4 risk reward trade and I'm going to break down the trade, the strategy, the risk management in this video so that you can also learn and implement it in your own trading. Please subscribe and like this video and I'll see you in the other end. So as you can see, this is the trade I took and let me break down the trade for you. Okay. You guys already know me as a liquidity trader, and you know when I wake up in the morning, what I look for is I want, if market is trending bearish like this, I want market to sweep a high like this, then give me a confirmation, then I'll sell to the downside. If market is also bullish like this, I want market to come down, sweep a low, give me confirmation, then I buy to the upside. That's exactly how I look for my trades each day. So looking at this chart from here, from the 5-minute time frame, you could see that we are trending from, let's look at from the 15-minute time frame. You could see that from here we are very bearish. Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of everything on the screen so that, okay, you can see that from here everything seems market is bearish. You see we have been moving from a high, a low, a higher low, a lower low, a higher low, a lower low, and like that. So as a liquidity trader, all I am looking for is to see what a sweep or a take or a sweep of a swing high or a liquidity zone, then I take my entry. So when I woke up this morning, today being Tuesday, from the 5-minute time frame, you could see that we have a high here. We have this high that led to a what? To a break of structure here. You can see, and we started ranging from there. So that for me, that's a significant high for me. Okay. Sorry for the delays. I think my cursor is misbehaving. Okay, this high is a very significant high for me because it led to what? A break of structure, and after this high, market started what? Ranging. So automatically there are a lot of stop losses above this high. That's why it led to what? A break of structure. So what I was looking for is to see a sweep of this high. All what I was looking for is to see liquidity take this high out. And when I look at the charts during London, similar thing, it happened. Okay, this high got taken, and when you go to the 1-minute time frame, like I always look for my entries, you could see that when the high got taken, we started breaking lows to the downside. So you see, we from here we took out this high, we came down, we formed another higher low, we took out this low. So once this low formed, I knew that we were no longer bullish, we are now going bearish. So I quickly entered my sell limit here because I was expecting market to take this swing, this liquidity, and start selling to the downside. So this is where I took my entry and my stop loss a bit above it. Although my stop loss nearly got kicked, and fortunately my stop loss wasn't hit, and I took this trade. Actually gave me a 1:5, but I closed at 1:4 because I was a bit fearful. I closed at here, somewhere around here, 1:4 thereabout. But if I had held longer, I would have made up to 1:5 thereabout. But this is where I closed my trade. Yes, 1:4. I always target 1:3 minimum, and that's how I took the trade. And as you can see from here, you see that from here we came down, formed a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, and then we started going to the upside. So once we took out liquidity, I quickly went down to the 1-minute time frame from this point. Okay, This is what happened. So once we took out liquidity, we came down, we took out this low, then I marked out this high. This is why I marked out that high. Look at it. From this, I want this high to be taken, just like the normal trade scenario I showed you earlier, and then we'll start selling. Okay, this is how my entries are. So I always wait for a swing high to be taken. When this is taken, traders will think that, oh, we have changed character, SMC ICT, we have changed character, and we have to buy to the upside. But that is when I am looking for what? For a sales. Okay, it's the same analysis that I used here. We took out a low, then we took out this high. People think it's change of character, then I entered. So this is where I took my entry, and my stop loss was around here, and I targeted 1:4, and fortunately my TP, this trade actually took longer though. This trade took like I got to close around 3 p.m. and I ended around 10, so almost 4 hours thereabout. This trade took almost 4 hours, and that was it. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Help me grow this channel, and I will see you in the next one.